BJP is taking
MAPSA candidates will be declared by Monday by the central leadership, and we are also taken into confidence by the Goa leadership. I and Glenn Tiklo, since we are the MLAs of Pardesh, and we have told the party to decide on the right candidate. We have also given the name. We will come out on Monday.
You have supported Joshua?
Minority candidate from the
It's not a question of minority or majority. The right candidate should be given.
And natural justice has
we have
to
to get we have to get the seat elected.
Do you think
So there are a lot of people who have to be taken in confidence, including the Maharashtra, MAPSA council. MAPSA council is there. The entire council, they have to be. They had come today to meet the party leadership, and they have already given their say also. The Mandal also, MAPSA Mandal have given
natural justice to veteran.
That is to be decided by the party. I cannot decide on that.
Okay.
As a neighboring MLA, and I have a lot of good friends in MAPSA, I have also given my comments and say on that.